So in this video for making a grass cutter, we are going to use three CDs. Basically these are going to act like a flywheel, which is going to make sure that it is going to spin at a constant speed, which is going to help in cutting grass better. So that's what we are going to do right now. So we are going to use a 12 volt DC motor along with a 12 volt battery to make this grass cutting machine. So the reason for making this screw system, the nut system, is so that while you're not using, you can actually remove the blade part and keep it aside, so that it's actually safe. So that's where we have drilled the hole to the CD and we are connecting it. So grass cutting machines requires more power, so we are just going to mount a 12 volt battery on this. So that's how I'm just connecting it. And when you're not using it, you can just slide the battery out from that and take it aside. So one need to be really careful while operating this grass cutting machine which has blade, because if you are not correctly fixing it and correctly the nuts are not fixed, the chance of blade coming out is high. So make sure everything is properly connected before starting the grass cutting machine.
This 12 volt battery, this is how the connection is. For easy handling, there is a handle on off. Okay, let's do it.
So while this grass cutting machine was really good, but there was a flaw in the design where the grass was actually coming and getting stuck around the shaft. So it could have been planned better where like that portion was covered so the grass doesn't get come and stuck there. But otherwise it really works well, and you can actually use this for cutting the garden grass or things like that. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to the channel. And also let me know what is the next video that you are looking for me to create, and put it in the comment section. And I'm certainly going to create videos on that. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.